Hi guys, this is Byrd, your curvy sewist, and I am here to share with you guys some happy mail. So Needle Sharp was kind enough to reach out to me and they shared their latest sewing kit for May. So let's open it up together. I love the box, super cute. I love getting happy mail. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, packaging is everything for me. I've always been the one who loves the packaging, the bows, the ribbons, the bag. So I love this. They have a little sticker closing the tissue paper with their brand on it. So let's go ahead and open that up. Oh, there's a really cute thank you card. I love that. And behind the thank you card, thank you for your purchase. Each month, you'll be entered for a chance to win a $25 gift card. Really cute. Thank you so much, Needle Sharp. There is also a fabric care kind of card, which is super nice. I haven't really seen this, where it includes the fabric type, which I'll get into next. Tells you about the size of it, the width, and how to care for it, the recommendations as far as pre-washing your fabric, and that sort of thing. I thought that's really cute. I don't always see that. Nice ad. And they gave me this really cute fabric tag. If you can see that, it says it has, a little bit fuzzy maybe, but it says it has pockets. Oh, how cute is that? I love that. I love that. All right, so let's get into the kit. So this is what it looks like once you open up the tissue paper. And this month's kit features Sew House 7. I love Sew House 7 patterns. The fit is perfect for it's perfect for probably everyone, but I'm a curvy sewist, so I can only speak to my body type. And this works perfectly. I don't have to make modifications. It hits all the curves in the right way. So this is Sew House 7, the Wildwood wrap dress, and I will tag links to Sew House 7. I'll tag links to the fabric as well, but this is really cute. So it's a wrap dress that has this shawl kind of collar, and it has a really wide detached belt, and everything is about wrap dresses, wrap everything this year. So I'm excited to get into that. That's really cute. And then going further into the sewing kit, guys, there is glue. So I'm not sure what the glue is. I'm sure that will come to, that will make sense in a minute, but there is glue. There's this cute little bag. Let's see what's in the bag. Thank you, Needle Sharp. This is cute. So these are all of the notions. So there's a little bag, cute little bag with all of the notions, and it says, be so delighted. All right, let's see what's in here. I love a sewing kit when you get everything that you need. Ooh, so there's a sewing needle. So it's, it's a universal sewing needle. I love that they include in the sewing kit the perfect sewing needle for the type of fabric that is included in the kit. Beautiful thread to match. Really nice. I love that ad. And it's a big enough spool that honestly, it's enough to finish the make, but it's also enough that I can use it for something else. I love that. And then we have the tie string, which is probably to close the wrap on the inside. Oh, everything, guys, everything that you need. And then I think this is the button that goes on the inside. Oh, so it's the button and also the little closures. I'm trying to show you that without dropping it on the table. So let me see if I can do that. Figuring out how to show that little tiny little clip closure. All right, let me put those back. They're small. I don't want to lose that. I love how everything is there. So this looks like it's some interfacing, and guys, it's already cut. So I'm good to go. I love that, love that, love that. And then for the headliner, it is a ruby red wash linen. First off, I love linen. It is breathable. There's usually a drape, not a ton of drape, but a nice drape for the summer. It's perfect for summer and spring makes. And the fact that it's a wash linen, because sometimes linen can really kind of unravel a little bit at the edges. So I like that it's already washed, taking care of all of any possible shrinkage issues. I wouldn't hurt to also drop it again in the washing machine and to dry it. But look at this. It is ruby red, so it's a little bit, it's pretty opaque, but you know, it is, I mean, I'm not going to say it's see-through. It is not see-through. I can see you a little bit, but not completely. So I think it is really, it's semi-opaque, I would say. It's really nice. Look at that. Really great quality. And they've included the exact amount of fabric that you need to make any option of the Soho 7 Wildwood wrap dress. So I think this is going to be a really great fabric for this particular wrap dress. I love it. And guys, it has pockets. So that is so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Get into that fabric. I think it looks good against my complexion. Super happy. I can't wait to cut that out. I actually may start cutting it out today. We're not done. They also included a couple of little Smarties, because I guess when you're in the middle of sewing, every now and then I'm like, oh, I needed something just a little bit sweet to pop in my mouth. So this is really, really awesome. So I love the whole sewing kit. I recommend sewing kits if it's something that you haven't tried, because as you can see, what Needle Sharp has done is you get this beautiful box, but you get all of the doodads, the small pieces, the big pieces. I still don't know what the glue is for. When I post my final make, I'll tell you what the glue is for, because I'm not sure what it is. It's disappearing purple school glue. I'm not sure what it is, but the sewing kit includes everything that you need, from the pattern to the fabric, to all of the interfacing, the thread, the notions, the buttons, the closures. So I'm super excited about this, and I just wanted to come on and share this with you guys. And Needle Sharp, thank you again so much. I appreciate it. I'll be back, guys, to share with you the final make. Bye-bye for now.